Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. The integration of AI into creative and professional workflows has opened up a new category of services on platforms like this Fiverr. With AI tools handling the heavy lifting, even beginners with no prior experience can offer valuable services and start making money quickly. The key to success is to use AI as a tool to enhance your efficiency and provide a high quality human reviewed final product. We have in here top AI money making methods on Fiverr, which will be the guide I have for you today. First, we have AI powered content and copywriting. This is one of the most popular and accessible AI gigs. While you can't simply copy and paste the AI generated text, you can use AI tools to significantly speed up your workflow. This is how this works. You use an AI writing tool like this Jasper or Write Sonic to generate outlines, first draft, or different versions of copy. Your job is to edit, refine, and humanize the content to ensure it's high quality, accurate, and tailored to the client's needs. We also have in here target gigs, blog posts, product descriptions, website copy, social media captions, and even email newsletters. Now, this is why it's beginner friendly. The AI does the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the more creative and quality control aspects of writing. Secondly, let's get to AI generated images and art. AI image generators can produce stunning visuals in seconds, a skill that is in high demand for marketers, bloggers, and businesses. This is how this works. You use a tool like this Midjourney, DALLE, or Leonardo AI to generate images based on a client's prompt. Your gig can be to create AI generated art, concept art, social media visuals, or even book covers. The value you provide is your expertise in crafting effective prompts and editing the final images to match the client's vision. We also have target gigs, AI art, unique illustrations, product mockups, and social media graphics are here. This is why this is fast. You can create dozens of variations of an image in minutes, giving you a quick turnaround time. We also have thirdly here AI video creation and editing. Video content is booming, and AI is making it easier than ever to produce professional looking videos without advanced skills. This is how this works. Use AI video generators like this Steve.ai or Pictory to create short animated explainers or promotional videos from a script. The AI can select stock footage, add music, and generate a voiceover. You can also offer services like converting articles into video format. In here, we have these target gigs, animated explainers, promotional videos, and even social media video ads. Now, this is why this is a good niche. This service is in high demand, and AI tools dramatically reduce the time and effort required to produce a video, allowing you to be very competitive on price. We now fourthly have AI powered translation services. AI models are now capable of nuanced and contextual translations, making it a viable service on Fiverr. This is how this works. Use an AI tool to translate a document, then manually review and refine the output to ensure accuracy, cultural relevance, and proper tone. This is crucial as raw AI translations can often miss subtle context. Now we have these target gigs right here: document translation, localization, and multilingual content creation. This is why this is quick way to start. If you are fluent in more than one language, AI can help you handle a high volume of work and even deliver projects very quickly. Now finally, these are tips for success on Fiverr which I have for you. First, specialize in a niche. Instead of offering a generic AI art gig, specialize in something like AI generated sci fi concept art or AI powered realistic product mockups. This reduces competition and makes you an expert in a specific field. Also, the second tip is to master the AI tool. The quality of your work is directly tied to your skill in using the AI tool. Take the time to learn advanced prompting techniques and understand the tool's limitations. Also, over-deliver and get reviews to build your reputation. Offer exceptional service and over-deliver on your first few orders. Positive reviews and a high rating are the most important factors for ranking on Fiverr. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.